Can you do it again? Uh-oh. Good job. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sorry, my fault. Can you do it one more time? You have to stand up. We stand up first. And then we get the ball. Good master strategy. You're all right. I moved on you. Try again. Oh. All right, it's so frustrating when it moves around like that. Try again. You can do it. Try again. Yay, good job. Oh, nice face to boot. Good job. Grant, can I have a smooch? No smooch. No nothing. Yeah, slam the rim. Good job, bud. High five. High five. Oh, pulling on the net. High five.